Hello everyone, my name is Tyra and I recently did my NCLEX RN, the next generation, on August 12th, and I found out that I passed on August 14th. I'm just so happy. I feel so blessed. I am just so overjoyed. Like my heart is just so full with joy. I can't stop thinking that I passed. Like I can't stop, I'm just like so happy, and I'm just grateful and thankful. I want to thank, big shout out to ReMar, because I used her product. I have been following ReMar since 2019 for my LPN. When I was doing my LPN, and even with the NCLEX for the LPN, I used her quick facts, and I've over the years been following her. And then I started back school for the RN, and I finished the RN program in May, graduated in June, and I purchased ReMar, the V2, since May. So I purchased it from May when they had May when they had a promotion, the 3 months for the $89. I purchased it and I started using it for my exit exams. So I used it for the HESI and for the ATI, and I passed and I graduated, and I continued using her for preparing for the NCLEX. I loved her videos. They are very short and they are very straight to the point. I personally don't like listening to videos that are very long. Like I lose concentration. So with ReMar, everything is just on point. Like the content is it's amazing. Like I use that especially for like my weak areas. Like I'm not so good in maternity and in peds, so I literally listen to those videos like over and over and over and over again, because with her content, you are able to understand. And when you get the questions, even if her questions are very difficult, they are very hard, and that prepares you as well for the NCLEX. I did the CAT, so I did the CAT exam, and it shot off at 85, and it's very much of a good indicative of how your NCLEX would be like how many questions yours will shot off, because that's exactly what happened to me. My first attempt, it shot off at 85 questions. She's very good, very, very good. And to those who are very hesitant in purchasing ReMar, please stop being hesitant, and you can't go wrong. Like with her price, you definitely can't go wrong. It's very reasonable. The price is reasonable, and you have access to so many stuff: her lectures, the videos, the questions, the virtual trainer, the book. Like you just can't go wrong with ReMar. So please, book your exam and don't look back. Have faith in yourself, because you can do it. Trust me. If you can go to nursing school, because nursing school was no joke, and if you can finish and graduate nursing school, trust me, the NCLEX is nothing compared to nursing school, and you can do it. Have faith in yourself, because I had faith. Listen, I changed my date so many times, and that day I woke up, I was like, the Friday before my exam, I was like panicking. I was like, I'm not ready. And believe me or not, you are more prepared than you think you are. And I'm grateful and thankful that I did not change my date, which I was planning to, so I'm happy that I did not. And I felt so confident afterwards. Like I didn't even have to do that quick trick, because I already knew that I passed. So please, I passed using ReMar products, the V2, and trust me, I don't know whoever is out there that's listening to this video, but you can do it. You can. As Miss Regina said, you can, you will, and must pass the NCLEX, because I did. And I'm happy to be a ReMar nurse, and hopefully I plan on either being an ER or cardiac nurse. So good luck to you guys. You can, you will, and must pass. I passed 85 questions, and you too will pass with 85 questions using the ReMar. I'm a proud ReMar nurse. Whoop whoop.